Hello, lovely viewers, and welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor channel. Today, we have an exciting product to explore. The Seoul Ceuticals Korean Skincare Beauty Serum. This potent serum is packed with 20% vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and CE Ferulic Acid, promising to deliver some remarkable benefits for your skin. Benefits: anti-aging powerhouse. This serum is formulated with a powerhouse of ingredients that are known to be effective in reducing the signs of aging. It helps minimize fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet, leaving you with a more youthful-looking complexion. Brighter, youthful glow. With its high concentration of vitamin C, this serum can also help fade sunspots and promote a brighter complexion. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a radiant glow. Pore refinement. If you struggle with large pores or acne-prone skin, you're in luck. This serum can help shrink pores, clear up acne, prevent breakouts, and even minimize the appearance of acne scars. It's like a multitasking superhero for your skin. Makeup friendly. If you love makeup, you'll appreciate that this serum can act as an excellent makeup primer. It creates a smooth canvas for makeup application, helping your makeup look flawless and stay in place throughout the day. Protection from environmental damage. The CE Ferulic Acid in the serum offers protection against environmental stresses, such as pollution and UV radiation. This added layer of defense can help keep your skin looking youthful and healthy. Suitable for various skin types. Whether you have oily, combination, dry, or normal skin, this serum is designed to cater to a wide range of skin types. Its hydrating and balancing properties make it versatile for different skincare routines. Citrus scent. If you enjoy a fresh, citrusy scent in your skincare products, you'll appreciate the pleasant fragrance of this serum. It adds a refreshing element to your skincare routine. Side effects. Keep in mind that individual reactions can vary, but here are some general considerations. Skin sensitivity. Given the potent ingredients in this serum, some individuals may experience skin sensitivity, redness, or tingling. It's essential to do a patch test before applying it all over your face, especially if you have sensitive skin. Sun sensitivity. Vitamin C can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so it's crucial to use sunscreen during the day to protect your skin. Dosage. For adults, a few drops applied daily should suffice. If you're in your teens, start with a smaller amount. Usage. Apply it in the morning for the best results. Vitamin C can provide added protection against UV damage. After cleansing and toning, apply a few drops of the Seoul Ceuticals serum to your face. Gently massage it into your skin, and allow it to absorb fully before applying other skincare products or makeup. Seoul Ceuticals Serum is a promising product, offering a plethora of benefits for your skin, from anti-aging to brightening and acne control. However, it's essential to be mindful of potential skin sensitivities, and to use sunscreen during the day when using vitamin C products. If you've tried this serum or have any questions, please share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Vitamin Doctor channel for more skincare tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue our journey toward healthier, more radiant skin.